Hello students, myself Harshal Nilkantan MRD, lecturer in Mechanical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we will start with chapter number 4. Name of chapter is Shear Force Bending Moment, Shear Stress Bending Moment. So I will complete with part A. Learning outcomes. By the end of the chapter, the students will able to compute the shear force and bending moment and corresponding the shear and bending stresses in a beam is subjected to the point load and uniformly distributed load. Determine section modulus and moment of resistance for the given beam. Determine bending stresses and shear stresses for the given load and beam. Locate point of maximum BM and point of counterfractures in the given cases. Beam and their types. Beam is a horizontal structure member which is normally subjected to the transverse load. Span. Distance between two support of the beam is known as span. Types of load. So first one is simple support. Second one is roller support. Third one is hinge support. And fourth one is fixed support. Types of beam. Simple supported beam. A beam which is simply supported at its end is known as simply supported beam. Second, cantilever beam. A beam whose one end is fixed and other end is free is known as cantilever beam. Overhanging beam. A beam which is extended beyond the support is known as overhanging beam. Fixed beam. A beam whose ends are firmly fixed is known as fixed beam. Continuous beam. A beam which is supported on the more than a two support is known as continuous beam. Next, types of load. Point load. A load which is concentrated on the point is known as point load. See the figure. Second one is uniformly distributed load, we will call as UDL. A load which is uniformly distributed or a beam is known as uniformly distributed load. To find support reaction, first one is summation of Fy is equal to 0. Upward force is positive and downward force is negative. Summation of A means moment of A is equal to 0. Clockwise is positive and anti-clockwise is negative, or you can say is counterclockwise. Anti-clockwise other name is counterclockwise. Third one, sign convention in shear force diagram. There are sign convention we will look when we will solve the sum, and sign convention in bending moment diagram. So you will see that first positive one, I will make one section K. From the section to the left side when a force is going to upward, and from the section to the right side when force is coming downward, it will be positive. From the section to the left side when the force is coming downward, and from the section to the right side when the force is going up, it will be negative. Sign convention in bending moment will be, there is one section and that from the force to the left hand side the rotation is clockwise, and from the section to the right hand side the rotation is counterclockwise. That moment is known as sagging. Okay, and it will be the positive. To the section to the left hand side when the rotation will be counterclockwise, to the right hand side when the rotation will be clockwise, it is a hogging movement and it will be the negative. See, this is an important chart I have given. There are in first SFD and BMD point load. When there will be a point load, SFD will be a box or rectangle, and BMD it will be inclined straight line. Okay, when there will be a UDL, uniformly distributed load, so in SFD it will be the inclined straight line. Okay, and in BMD it will be a parabola. And UVL means uniformly varying load. In SFD it will be parabola, and in BMD it will be a cubic curve. Note, if a force acting on a point A, the moment of the force about point A is equal to 0. Okay. If the force is acting at point A, so whatever the moment will be there at that point will be a 0. Okay, not A only, or at any point. See, we will start with basic numerical. Find the support reaction for a simply supported beam shown in figure. Figure is given. You may see point A and point B, one span with simply supported A and B support. At 2 meter from left side, 10 kilonewton force is acted, and from left side only 2 plus 3 5 meter 20 kilonewton force is acted. So let's start with solution. Let RA and RB be the support reaction at the point A and B. Summation is equal to 0. Upward force positive, downward force negative. RA plus RB minus C. RA and RB, why they are plus? Because you may see that upward going forces are positive. So I have written RA positive and RB positive. Minus 10 minus 20 is equal to 0. So minus 10 minus 20 I will take to the right hand side, so it will be a 30 kilonewton. So I will write RA plus RB is equal to 30 kilonewton. It will be the equation 1. Taking moment of all the forces about the point A, summation of moment at A is equal to 0. Clockwise rotation I will take as positive, anti-clockwise rotation I will take as negative. So at point A, so first force 10 kilonewton. So 10 I will rotate, then I will get. So first at point A point moment will be 0. Okay, so next 10 multiply by 2. Why plus 10? Because you may see the force which is getting rotate is, okay, 10 multiply by 2 plus 20 multiply by 5, okay, minus anti-clockwise. So 10 and 20 is getting rotated as clockwise direction, and RB is getting rotated as anti-clockwise direction. So minus RB multiplied by 7 is equal to 0. I will solve. I will get RB value, that is 17.140 kilonewton. So this value I will put in equation 1. I will get RA value 12.85 kilonewton. So just I find out the support reaction. Okay, I will start with next numerical. Find the support reaction of a beam shown in a below. So now simple supported beam forces are increased. A and B are the end point of the span. RA is a support reaction and RB is also a support reaction at point A and B. Summation of Fy is equal to 0. Upward force will be positive and downward force will be a negative. So first positive forces are RA plus RB. Downward forces minus 5, minus 12, minus 20, minus 10 is equal to 0. I will solve. I will get RA plus RB is equal to 47 kilonewton. Equation 1. Taking moment of all forces about point A. So summation of moment at A is equal to 0. Clockwise it is positive, anti-clockwise it is negative. So at first point RA multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, plus 5 multiplied by 1, plus 12 multiplied by 3, plus 20 multiplied by 5, plus 10 multiplied by 7, minus RB multiplied by 8 is equal to 0. I will solve. I will get RB value is equal to 26.375 kilonewton. Put in equation 1, I will get RA value is equal to 20.625 kilonewton. Okay, these are two basic problems for a support reaction. Thank you.